Hello everyone, this is Mahita. Welcome back to my channel Mahita Smart Education. Today in this video, we are going to learn about the most powerful mass movement against the construction of large dam on the river Narmada, that is Narmada Bachao Andolan. So today in this video, we are going to learn all about this movement. Indeed, what is Narmada Bachao Andolan and why it is started, when it is started, who started this, where it is started, how it is started, and what are the achievements of NBA, and many more questions we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, let's start our video on Narmada Bachao Andolan. Narmada Bachao Andolan started with these two famous slogans. They are Vikas Chahiye, Vinash Nahin, which means development wanted, not destruction, and Koi nahi hatega, band nahi banega. We won't move, the dam won't be constructed. Okay, let's see what is this Narmada Bachao Andolan and when it is started. And it is started in 1985. And as we know, it is the most powerful mass movement against the construction of huge dam on the river Narmada. Let's see some of the important facts about the river Narmada. Narmada is India's largest west flowing river and which supports a large variety of people with distinguished culture and traditional ranging from the tribal people inhabited in the jungles here to the large number of rural people. Have you wondered why constructing this dam on river makes these people to agitate and gives rise to the most powerful mass movement? Let's see what are the advantages and disadvantages of creating or constructing dams on the rivers. The advantages are like it helps in generation of electricity and it helps in irrigation. It helps in supplying of water for domestic and industrial uses. It helps in protecting from floods and it helps in recreation and inland navigation and it helps in fish breeding also. But why people hesitate? Because there are some disadvantages, right? Let's see the disadvantages also. It uh, it may be affect the natural course of river and it creates excessive sedimentation at the bottom of the reservoir resulting in rockier stream beds and reservoirs submerge the existing vegetation and displacement of people on large scale, poor habitat for the river aquatic life, and deforestation. So these are the main drawbacks of creating a dam. So let's see what are the advantages of creating these huge dam on the river Narmada. The advantages like it is considerably revenue. It is giving revenue for the government and it creates or it one could expect that the production of 1450 megawatts of electricity and it can give pure water to nearly 40 million people, and the Sardar Sarovar Dam, which is the largest dam among the 3000 dams which are planning to build on the river Narmada, would irrigate almost 1.8 million hectares of land in Gujarat. In addition, 73,000 hectares in the dry neighboring states of Rajasthan and providing potable water to over 8,000 Gujarati villages and 135 urban centers. So let's see why people agitate or why people make this movement. Why means because of these problems they have raised the movement, and let's look at these problems. The problems are like displacement of 250,000 people from their land in three states. Then these three states include Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Gujarat, and rehabilitation and resettlement of people, and loss of agricultural land and forest approximately 37,000 hectares, and destruction of flora and fauna. So from above all these slides we can say that why Narmada Bachao Andolan started. It is started with the proposed Sardar Sarovar Dam and Narmada Sagar will displace more than 2,50,000 people. So the big fight is over the resettlement or the rehabilitation of these people. The two proposals are already under construction and which was supported by the World Bank by giving nearly 550 million US dollars loan. So, who started this movement? And do you know, along the river, nearly 3,000 big and small dams are planned to construction. And the largest among this river is Sardar Sarovar Dam. And you can see this is the Narmada River, and the largest dam among this river is Sardar Sarovar Dam. And it is of course a multi-crore project that will generate big revenue for the government, and in the view it creates 1450 megawatts of electricity and pure drinking water to 40 million people. So with these objectives the government started constructing the dam. So who initiated this movement? It is initiated by Medha Patkar. Patkar is a famous social worker. And how did it started, or how she started this movement means in 1985, after hearing about the Sardar Sarovar Dam, Medha Patkar and her colleagues visited the project site and noticed that the project work being checked. It is checked because the people who were going to be affected by the construction of the dam were given no information but the offer for rehabilitation, and the officials related to the project had not even checked the land records and updated them. So with these main causes, she went to she approached the Ministry of Environment to seek for clarification. She realized that the project was not sanctioned at all and wondered as to how funds were even sanctioned by the World Bank. After several studies, they realized that the officials had overlooked the post project problems. So, she organized a 36-day solidarity march among the neighboring states of Narmada Valley from Madhya Pradesh to Sardar Sarovar Dam, which is situated in Gujarat. Okay, and the march was resisted by the police. And in May 1990, Narmada Bachao Andolan organized a 2,000-person 5-day sit-in at PM VP Singh's residency and in New Delhi, and which convinced the Prime Minister to reconsider the project. In December 1990, approximately 6,000 men and women began the Narmada Jan Vikas Sangharsh Yatra, which means Narmada People's Progress Struggle March, marching over 100 kilometers. In January 1991, Baba Amte and the 7-member team began the indefinite hunger strike and committed to a sit-in unto death, which is continued for 22 days. And Medha Patkar also, using this right, she undertook a 22-day fast that almost took her life. Patkar's action did force the World Bank to set up the Morse Commission, and the World Bank participation in these projects was cancelled in 1993. So she made her effort to cancel the World Bank's participation in this construction of the large dam. So it is led by the one of the prominent leader Medha Patkar. It has now been turned into the international protest, gaining support from NGOs all around the globe. And protesters are agitating the issue through the mass media and through hunger strikes, massive marches, rallies, and through the on screen of several documentary films. Although they have been protesting peacefully, but they've been harassed, arrested, and beaten up by the police several times. So, who participated? Who mainly participated in this rally means, or in this movement means? Adivasis, farmers, fish workers, laborers, and all others in Narmada Valley, along with the intellectuals, including environmentalists, human rights activists, scientists, academicians, artists, etc. And many people participated. Even actors also participated in this movement. So, where it is started? It is started in Madhya Pradesh and it is continued in the 3 states through which the Narmada River flows, and they are Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. So, this is the logo of Narmada Bachao Andolan. Narmada Bachao, Manav Bachao. So let's see the achievements of this moment. The Narmada Bachao Andolan has attracted an international network of support, right? Through NGOs, and even the World Bank cancelled their uh, what support in the construction of dam, and they have gained some success in obtaining consensus for the people who have been affected by already built dam on Narmada River, and they achieved their early success through being able to force transnational linkages and to petition international organizations such as the World Bank from Sardar Sarovar in 1993, and the NBA was able to halt of the construction of Sardar Sarovar Dam in 1994 to 99. The withdrawal of foreign investors from Maheshwar Dam 1999 to 2000. The NBA has helped establishing a network of activists across the country and the National Alliance of People's Movement, and the leading spokesperson of Narmada Bachao Andolan was Medha Patkar and Baba Amte. They have received the Right Livelihood Award in 1991 for this movement. And finally, the Sardar Sarovar Dam's construction, again built, started in 1999 and was declared finished in 2006. And the height of the project was increased from 138 meters to 163 meters. And it was inaugurated in 2017 by the PM Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So this is all about Narmada Bachao Andolan. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, do like, share and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.